Stress. We all experience it. It's a normal part of life, something that everyone goes through at different points. You might feel stressed before a big presentation, during a traffic jam, or when facing a deadline. These moments can make us feel overwhelmed. These feelings are our body's natural response to challenges. It's a way of preparing us to face difficult situations. Stress can manifest in various ways, affecting both our mind and body. You might notice physical symptoms like headaches or muscle tension. These are common signs. Maybe you feel more irritable, anxious, or have trouble sleeping. These emotional responses are also indicators of stress. These are all signs that stress is impacting you. Recognizing these signs is the first step in managing stress. It's important to remember that everyone experiences stress differently. What might be stressful for one person could be manageable for another. What stresses one person might not faze another. Our reactions are unique to us. Our individual responses to stress are shaped by genetics, upbringing, and life experiences. These factors influence how we cope. While occasional stress is normal, it can even be beneficial in small doses. Persistent, overwhelming stress can have serious consequences for both our physical and mental well-being. It's crucial to find ways to manage it effectively. Not all stress is created equal. In fact, there are two main types: acute stress and chronic stress. Acute stress is short-term stress. It's that sudden surge of energy and focus you feel when you face an immediate challenge. Think about encountering a dangerous situation or competing in a sporting event. This type of stress can actually be beneficial. It helps us react quickly to danger and perform under pressure. Chronic stress, on the other hand, is long-term stress that persists over weeks, months, or even years. It's the result of ongoing challenges like work pressure, relationship problems, or financial strain. Unlike acute stress, chronic stress is detrimental to our health. To understand how stress affects the brain, we need to look at the body's stress response system, known as the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal (HPA) axis. This system involves a complex interplay between the brain and adrenal glands. When you perceive a threat, your brain's hypothalamus releases a hormone called corticotropin-releasing hormone, or CRH. CRH signals the pituitary gland to release adrenocorticotropic hormone, or ACEH. ACEH then travels through the bloodstream to the adrenal glands located above your kidneys. Section 4. Chronic stress. Rewiring the brain. Chronic stress is not just a fleeting feeling, it has profound and lasting impacts on the brain's structure and function. Chronic stress keeps the HPA axis in overdrive, constantly activating the body's stress response system. This leads to prolonged exposure to cortisol, the primary stress hormone, which can have detrimental effects on the brain over time. One of the key areas affected is the hippocampus, a brain region crucial for learning and memory. The hippocampus is essential for converting short-term memories into long-term ones. High levels of cortisol can damage and shrink the hippocampus, impairing your ability to form new memories and recall existing ones. This can lead to difficulties in learning and retaining information. Chronic stress also affects the amygdala, the brain's fear center, which is responsible for processing emotions like fear and anxiety. Prolonged stress strengthens the connections within the amygdala, making you more reactive to perceived threats. This heightened reactivity can make everyday situations feel overwhelming. This can lead to heightened anxiety, fear, and even panic attacks, severely impacting one's quality of life and mental well-being. The prefrontal cortex, responsible for higher-level thinking, decision-making, and emotional regulation, also suffers under chronic stress. This can result in impaired judgment, difficulty concentrating, and poor decision-making abilities. Section 5. Fighting back strategies for stress management. The good news is that chronic stress is not a life sentence. You have the power to take control and make positive changes. There are many things you can do to manage stress and mitigate its harmful effects on your brain. Simple lifestyle changes can make a big difference. Exercise is a powerful stress buster. Regular physical activity not only strengthens your body but also helps to clear your mind. Physical activity helps to lower cortisol levels and release endorphins, which have mood-boosting effects. Whether it's running, swimming, or a group fitness class, find what works for you. Meditation and mindfulness practices have also been shown to reduce stress and improve brain function. These practices help you stay grounded and focused. These techniques can help you become more aware of your thoughts and feelings, allowing you to respond to stress in a healthier way. Journaling and deep breathing are simple yet effective tools. Another important strategy is ensuring you get enough sleep. Quality sleep is essential for overall well-being. During sleep, your body and brain can repair and rejuvenate themselves. Prioritize a good night's rest to help manage stress effectively.